She is speaking to the manager.
She is speaking to the manager.
She will speak to the manager tomorrow.
She will speak to the manager tomorrow.
She is practicing the piano.
She is practicing the piano.
She will practice the piano.
She will practice the piano.
I am buying fruits from the market.
I am buying fruits from the market.
I will buy fruits from the market.
I will buy fruits from the market.
I am riding a horse.
I am riding a horse.
I will ride a horse.
I will ride a horse.
She is taking the train to work.
She is taking the train to work.
She will take the train to work.
She will take the train to work.
She is walking to the park.
She is walking to the park.
She will walk to the park in the evening.
She will walk to the park in the evening.
He is hiking in the mountains.
He is hiking in the mountains.
He will hike in the mountains.
He will hike in the mountains.
I am washing the clothes.
I am washing the clothes.
I will wash the clothes.
I will wash the clothes.
I am running.
I am running.
I will run 5 miles today.
I will run 5 miles today.
I am making the bed.
I am making the bed.
I will make the bed before going out.
I will make the bed before going out.
I am relaxing on the sofa.
I am relaxing on the sofa.
I will relax on the sofa in the evening.
I will relax on the sofa in the evening.
She is attending the meeting.
She is attending the meeting.
She will attend the meeting tomorrow.
She will attend the meeting tomorrow.
She is singing the song at the concert.
She is singing the song at the concert.
She will sing the song at the concert.
She will sing the song at the concert.
She is giving me the book.
She is giving me the book.
She will give me the book.
She will give me the book.
I am eating dinner.
I am eating dinner.
I will eat dinner at 8 p.m.
I will eat dinner at 8 p.m.
We are arriving at the airport.
We are arriving at the airport.
We will arrive at the airport at 9 p.m.
We will arrive at the airport at 9 p.m.
They are watching the game on TV.
They are watching the game on TV.
They will watch the game on TV.
They will watch the game on TV.
She is finishing her homework.
She is finishing her homework.
She will finish her homework at 4 p.m.
She will finish her homework at 4 p.m.
They are going to the park.
They're going to the park.
They will go to the park in the evening.
They will go to the park in the evening.
She is enjoying the movie.
She's enjoying the movie.
She will enjoy the movie tomorrow.
She will enjoy the movie tomorrow.
I am writing the letter.
I am writing the letter.
I will write the letter.
I will write the letter.
She is traveling to Paris.
She is traveling to Paris.
She will travel to Paris this summer.
She will travel to Paris this summer.
We are talking about the movie.
We're talking about the movie.
We will talk about the movie tonight.
We will talk about the movie tonight.
He is opening the gifts.
He is opening the gifts.
He will open the gifts.
He will open the gifts.
She is cleaning the house.
She is cleaning the house.
She will clean the house in the evening.
She will clean the house in the evening.
They are visiting the museum.
They are visiting the museum.
They will visit the museum this month.
They will visit the museum this month.
I am playing soccer.
I am playing soccer.
I will play soccer in the evening.
I will play soccer in the evening.
I am calling my friend.
I am calling my friend.
I will call my friend this Sunday.
I will call my friend this Sunday.
He is studying for the exam.
He is studying for the exam.
He will study for the exam tonight.
He will study for the exam tonight.
She is sleeping.
She is sleeping.
She will sleep at 10 p.m.
She will sleep at 10 p.m.
I am cooking dinner for the family.
I am cooking dinner for the family.
I will cook dinner for the family.
I will cook dinner for the family.
He is meeting his friends at the cafe.
He is meeting his friends at the cafe.
He will meet his friends at the cafe.
He will meet his friends at the cafe.
I am reading a book.
I am reading a book.
I will read a book tonight.
I will read a book tonight.
We are painting the walls.
We are painting the walls.
We will paint the walls.
We will paint the walls.
I am listening the news on the radio.
I am listening the news on the radio.
I will listen the news on the radio.
I will listen the news on the radio.
He is working at the office.
He is working at the office.
He will work at the office.
He will work at the office.
I am driving to the store.
I am driving to the store.
I will drive to the store.
I will drive to the store.
I am sending the emails.
I am sending the emails.
I will send the emails tomorrow.
I will send the emails tomorrow.
I am drinking coffee.
I am drinking coffee.
I will drink coffee.
I will drink coffee.